Hello everyone, welcome back again. This is Lydia's Kitchen and I hope you all are doing well. And in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make delicious okra light soup, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So let's get started. For the ingredients, I'll be using garlic, onion, ginger, crushed large onion. I have here 5 green chilies, sage, thyme, and also rosemary. So I'll start by blending onion, ginger, garlic, sage, rosemary. So I'll add it to the hard chicken. I'm using hard chicken for this recipe. And I'll also add rosemary. Next I'll be adding in homemade seasoning powder. And I'll be listing the ingredients in the description box below. Vegetable seasoning powder, and chicken seasoning powder. So I'll give it a quick stir and let it cook on the medium heat for about 10 minutes. Next, I'll cut and add 1 long red capsicum. And to it, I'll add 1 large. So I'll cover and let the vegetables cook for another 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, I'll remove and blend. Next, I'll add in the blended mixture. So I've rinsed the blender and add in more water. And because it's light soup, you can add in more water. Next, I'll add 1 tablespoon of dawa powder. I'll give it a stir. And let it simmer on a low heat for another 10 minutes. Next, to another saucepan, I'll add in blended okra, and to it I'll add about 4 cups of water. So I'll stir and cook on a medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. And I'll also be adding in some vegetables. So I have here zucchini, it's optional. So I'll slice and add it to the okra. Next, I'll add in 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and I'll give it a stir. I'll also add in a tablespoon of vegetable seasoning powder, and I'll add in the zucchini and also spinach. And once you add in the vegetables, you don't have to overcook it. Just let it simmer for a few seconds and you take it off the heat. And if you are enjoying this recipe, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share to your friends and your families. And thank you all for always stopping by to support my channel. I really appreciate it a lot. So next, I'll add in the okra to the soup. And to it, I'll add 5 green chilies. Now also add in some chopped onions. It adds crunchiness to the soup. And we are all done at this point. Our delicious chicken light okra soup is all done. It's looking colorful and tasty. Trust me, my kitchen is smelling so good. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.